What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we have our 5XL nail couture stiletto 1 2 3 go nail extensions, or nail tips in other words. They're full cover and they have a high apex, and they're good for like basically creating press-on nails. So I have been creating tons of these press-on nails. If you guys have not seen them lately, well, just go and look at some of my recent videos, but I definitely will create a press-on nail playlist since I have been creating them for like at least a month now, I want to say. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a nail design that is super simple and easy. In a previous video, you guys saw me use the LanFo glow-in-the-dark gel polishes. I'm using those again on this video, and I'm also using Higher Standards by Nail Reserve LA. Shout out to them for sending us this beautiful polish. It is vegan, cruelty-free, environment-friendly, 21 free formula, and probably some other stuff that I'm forgetting, but you guys already know the drill. And you can visit Nail Reserve's website. I'll go ahead and link everything down below for them, along with LanFo Beauty. And we are using the LanFo top coat for this set too. And then the nail tips, that's basically all we're using a white gel polish as well by Rosalind. I forgot to pull it out in the beginning of the video, but we also use that. Here's how the nails actually look. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. I'm literally obsessed. Super simple, easy nail design that I believe anybody can create if you just sit down and have a little bit of time. But yeah, so go ahead and watch me create the first couple of nails, and I will be back. By the way, you guys, I just want to say happy October 1st. It has been such an amazing first day of October. There's something about October that I specifically love. I don't know if it's because it's literally a month before my birthday, or if it's a month before my birthday and I just love that. I don't know. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But of course, everyone loves Halloween, and it just really symbolizes like the first actual full month in the season of fall. So it's like, okay, we're really in the holiday season. We're walking straight into it, and the winter season is right around the corner, and we get to enjoy pumpkin spice everything and sweaters and pulling out fall clothes and stuff like that. So I really love that, but also I don't really like it a lot because like I'm a summer, like I always think like I should have been a summer baby. My daughter is a summer baby, God bless her heart. I'm envious of her because having your birthday in the winter sucks. You can't do anything unless you travel far away where it's not cold. But some of the best places are places where it's cold in the winter, especially places that I love. So that's neither here nor there. I just want to tell you guys happy October 1st. I have major announcements for you guys, so I may as well get them out of the way now. So I told you guys in previous videos that we were definitely doing our Spam for Spam giveaway 2.0 edition, which is a supporters and subscribers appreciation edition. I don't know how many winners there's going to be. I definitely need you guys to drop some comments down below. I know for sure that there are some of my followers that are going to get gifts from my giveaway just simply for being loyal subscribers and loyal supporters. I just want to show you guys, tons of love any way that I can. And then I have already started working on being more interactive on Instagram. I also joined Snapchat. So if you search Goddess Gang CEO, you will find me on Snapchat. And you guys know that you can visit my blog, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. I do try to create a blog post for a majority of my videos, especially to showcase the products and things like that. So that's a good place to get caught up on stuff like that. Also to keep up with the discount codes that I have so that you can save money whenever you want to try out some of the products that you see me using. These gel polishes, the LanFo gel polishes, the Rosalind gel polishes, the Nail Reserve LA, they are like literally an obsession. And with those discount codes, they become like really affordable. But to begin with, they're a fair price. And that's what I really love about the brands, is that they help support your dreams and your ambitions without breaking your budget. So I feel that it's only right to gift you guys a lot of the products that I actually use. So that's where you guys come in at when you well, first, the giveaway is going to be a very intricate giveaway, and so let's start there. First, I want to tell you guys, as far as the giveaway is concerned, as far as the timing, like, I wanted to make sure that it was a time that I could really be engaged in the giveaway, engaged with all of my supporters and my subscribers, because this is something that's very important to me. So I didn't want to do it during Labor Day, you guys know, but that was at the beginning of September. And then September passed, and then I was like, okay, maybe October. But October is more like, I think everyone's just going so crazy right now over fall nails and over Halloween nails. And I think in November, it's going to kind of die down a bit. Of course, we're going to still do our fall nails. We're going to do our Thanksgiving nails. We're going to start our Christmas nails, apparently, for people who love to start everything a month early. But I feel like that would be more enjoyable to engage in, as far as having nail design competitions or draw my nails, like draw my nails, like specials, you know what I'm saying, and stuff like that. So I want to have this giveaway that's like a really big deal, and it's because it's for you guys, and I want you guys to be involved as much as possible. You guys, sorry for the interruption. It's because my boyfriend came in from his exercise and he's making so much noise. He does not keep up with my schedule, and it's so annoying. And one of my followers just inboxed me, and she's working on these nails, the lava lamp nails. She's redesigning them. I'm so excited about it. Shout out to you, girlfriend. But anyways, she's like, oh, I gotta go cook for these boys. Like, oh, I know you can't get nothing done at home. But anyways, you guys, on the video, we are going ahead and drawing peace symbols on all of our nails. I haven't even walked you through the design because I've just been waiting for this part, which is where we add the glow polish to all of the peace symbols. This is a super simple, easy nail design. I just love the fact that you guys are actually trying these, because today, unfortunately, I was on Instagram and I saw a girl, and she said that she was going to give up on trying to do nails because she wasn't getting a lot of support. And I just felt so bad. So definitely send her prayers to her. But anyways, so this is the nail design. It's just peace symbols. I mean, there's not a whole lot to it. And once you add the white layer, then it becomes very easy to go ahead and with the glow polish, and it creates a vibrant look. And the top coat really set this look over the top. literally. But anyways, you guys, so as far as the giveaway, so for example, like I have been encouraging you guys to try the lava lamp nail design because it is so simple and easy. And so today one of my followers inboxed me and she's like, I'm trying it, and she's already doing so good. She's not done with it yet, but I'm so excited for her progress. And that's like my main motivation, because doing your own nails can be fun, and it doesn't even have to be like doing your own nails. It can just be like creating nail designs or being a nail blogger and stuff like that. It's very therapeutic and relaxing and peaceful. My son, I probably have said this like a million times, but he's like, you love doing nails, so like even though it's considered work, it's not really work for you. And it's like, you're totally right. And I just want to thank you guys for continuing to visit my channel and support me. Visit me on Instagram, Snapchat, and everything like that. My blog, you guys, I have seen that you've been on my blog. You can definitely comment on there and everything. And drop a comment down below right now and let me know what you think of this nail design. Do you think that you would be able to do this nail design? Do you think that you would like it? I think that this would be so cute to wear to like go to the like the roller skating rink, to go when you go roller skating, to wear these. That would be so fun and cool. You guys, I'm literally so exhausted. I cannot even cap. I really wanted to do a double upload today because I have a lot of videos that I need to be getting done. So you guys are probably going to see more double upload days. And then definitely go ahead and follow me on Snapchat. Subscribe to me on Snapchat as well, because I'm going to be doing some unboxings on there sometimes as like a little sneak peek before I go onto YouTube, because those are memorable moments too. And I don't always have the opportunity to record my unboxings live on YouTube, because it's more of like I have to sit down for work and like make it all a certain type of way, make sure the audio is good, the lighting, blah blah blah. And with doing it on Snapchat, it's a little easier because I just grab my phone, truthfully turn on a decent filter, make sure the volume's turned up, wipe off my camera, and set that thing up and be like, okay, here we go. And you guys can get like a real time, you know, interaction. So definitely go ahead and follow me on there, and I'm gonna make a pop-up for it too. I haven't done that yet, but I have been thinking about it. I haven't put it on my blog either. But anyways, so about the announcements, I am a little distracted. My boyfriend's about to go and do his work in a little, so I think I'm gonna come back in just a few minutes. But I'm going through this nail design fairly quickly. So well, I am going to be uploading a video unboxing Madam Glam, and probably should do a nail design. I have so many videos, you guys. I have so many videos to record. My list is so long, and I just been like kind of chilling out at spots where I know like I can kind of focus for a while and relax and get some work done. And I honestly have been putting YouTube before my 9 to 5, even though my quote unquote 9 to 5 pays more. I have been sacrificing my income to be on YouTube because it feels good, and I want to succeed in this space. So definitely smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, definitely do subscribe. That way you can turn on that notification bell and be notified when I upload. When you guys visit my videos when they're new, it helps the algorithm, as you guys know, and it helps me, and it helps me help you guys. And so I'm gonna leave the rest of the announcements regarding the giveaway for the next video. But the major announcement now is that based on everything, I want the timing of the giveaway to be a very special time to me. So October wasn't perfect. Sorry, October. We love you nevertheless. But November is definitely perfect. So I'm going to start the giveaway on my birthday. So on my birthday, November 3rd, you guys are going to have like a huge update. Well, it's going to be like the actual giveaway announcement. So you guys will have updates before that, and huge ones, of course. I'm going to tell you tons more stuff, but the actual official announcement for the beginning of the giveaway is going to be on November 3rd, it will be at either 11:11 a.m. or 11:11 p.m. So you guys can help me decide. If you know me, then you know it's probably going to be 11:11 p.m. But that's neither here nor there. And so, yeah, we're going to go in and top coat all of these little beauties. And look at them. How do you guys like them? I am obsessed. I love this gel polish, and you guys are going to see them glowing, and you can tell me your thoughts. This is the second design that I have done with the polishes, and it does seem like some of the colors glow more than others, needless to say. So I don't know if it would help to add more layers of the polishes that didn't glow as much. I'll have to experiment with that next time. But for now, here's the end result, and I love you guys so much. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Until next time, holla. Peace.